Hi guys, this is Jordan Goodman, America's Money Answers Man, and I'm doing this video to explain why I've chosen to endorse MWR Financial as to what I believe to be the most comprehensive financial services solution ever offered to the general public. Let me start by saying that as a journalist, best-selling financial author, and internationally recognized financial expert for more than 40 years, I've spent my life educating and informing millions of people about how money works, how to build wealth, how to minimize taxes, and how to preserve your assets. However, I've also come to realize that a financial education without an easy way to apply it to your life is just an education. That's why I believe so much in the mission of MWR Financial. You see, they've figured out an affordable way to help people excel financially, regardless of their current financial position. They've done this by providing their members with a team of financial experts that actually do the work, instead of just giving their members a financial education and expecting them to figure out how to implement that knowledge on their own. I've personally worked with the incredible financial experts they provide, as well as their CEO, Brian House, for over a decade, and I've seen firsthand how this concept and their strategies have transformed the financial lives of tens of thousands of people. This puts members on a proven, predictable path to build wealth in record time. What impresses me the most is their willingness to stand behind what they offer. By simply following their plan of action, you will do much better financially, and MWR Financial actually guarantees it. I've never seen anything quite like it in the financial services arena or direct sales industry. That's why I firmly believe MWR Financial is committed to your success. So are you serious about wanting to succeed financially and make wealth a reality for you and your family? If so, I highly recommend you get started today and begin following the MWR Financial plan of action to make it happen. Thank you for your time, and let me be the first one to welcome you to the MWR Financial family.